Hello everyone, welcome to top 10 free alternatives to MidJourney AI generator. Let's get started. As you can see on the screen, the first one on this list is DALL-E 2. Now DALL-E 2 is made by the crew from ChatGPT, so they actually made ChatGPT, and this is probably the best by far MidJourney AI generator because it's really close to MidJourney. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it is really close to MidJourney. So this is the first one on the list. The second one on the list is called Crayon. Now Crayon is also great. All you have to do is just put in what do you want to generate and then click draw, and then Crayon will generate you an image right here. Again, not so great as MidJourney, but it is definitely better than DALL-E, I would say, in some sense as well. So this one is free. It also has pricing as well, but for the most part it's free. Then we have top 3. Stable Diffusion, right? Stable Diffusion is basically something that is really close to MidJourney. As you can see, you get high quality images, GPU enabled and fast generation, privacy, you get privacy, anonymous, freedom, right? So it is also kind of like, it's really simple, kind of like Crayon, but it really gets the job done. Great for AI generation. So if you want another AI generation tool, just like Stable Diffusion or just like MidJourney, Stable Diffusion is the way to go. Now, 4 on this list is, Microsoft Designer. So this is by Microsoft, as you can see. So you can actually get a lot of different content ideas, stuff like that. As you can see, AI generated images, for your content or maybe for your business. It is great. As you can see, this is how it looks like. You just type in, a word, and then it gets basically, and you get a template, right? And you can basically choose your favorite design from that template, right? So this is a really interesting tool by Microsoft. As you can see, you can do a lot of different things with this tool. But pretty much they focus more on content than just on AI generation and random images. So that's number 4. Number 5 is called Diffusion B. Now, as you can see, you can create amazing images using AI. It runs offline with no limits as well. This is completely free, as you can see, and it is a really simple AI generator tool. As you can see, you can generate pretty much anything here. You have image to image, in-painting, custom models, upscaling, text to image, advanced options, private and active community, right? So it is completely free, so definitely check this out as well. Next on the list is called Gaugan. Now, as you can see, Gaugan 2, this is basically how it looks like, right? And basically you can here input the text and then run tutorial. Now, this is a really simple tool that is still in development stages, but it is a tool that can be a competitor to MidJourney. Although I think MidJourney is a much better tool. You can go here and you can input the text and then run, and then you will get the prompts right here. Now that is Gaugan. Now, second on this list is called Neural Blender. As you can see, Neural Blender uses state-of-the-art AI technology to generate images from text input. So you can actually use Neural Blender to generate images. Again, it's really simple. You can just hit create and log in, and then you will start to basically create AI generative art. It's really simple. Again, very simple tool. It also costs, you actually have to have credits to actually go and generate the AI images. Next up on the list is Run Diffusion. Now, Run Diffusion is basically Stable Diffusion, but in 90 seconds, right? As I showed you Stable Diffusion, this is basically competitor to Stable Diffusion. As you can see, it starts at $0.50 per hour with 15 minutes free. So you actually get 15 minutes free. And as you can see, this is how it looks like, right? You can basically pick your image generation speed and stuff like that. These are the images that are generated from Run Diffusion. Again, another great plugin as well. You get integrated file browser, which you can use to actually download the images. You also have the smart timer, right, for your sessions. And yeah, overall, it is a great alternative to MidJourney. And yeah, if you want to check it out, rundiffusion.com. Now, next up is called Neurogen. Neurogen is, again, another MidJourney alternative. Advanced AI generation, create videos and images with cutting-edge multimedia synthesis tools. So you can actually create videos as well. As you can see here, some of the videos that this, this tool created. It's really amazing, right, what this tool can do. So you can actually create videos first time with an AI, which is awesome. So this is another MidJourney alternative. If you go to pricing, we can see that the pricing is $10 per 1,000 images. And also you can see that a lot of people are already using this. Neurogen is currently unavailable due to extremely high demand, which is really really good to see, because a lot of people are using this tool as well. And the last tool on this list is called Invoke AI. Now, as you can see, Invoke AI is basically an implementation of Stable Diffusion. This is an open source text to image and image to image generator. It provides streamlined process with various new features. As you can see, this is how it looks like, right? And yeah, basically this is what hardware requirements looks like, right? And this is basically the last MidJourney alternative. So these were top 10 MidJourney alternatives. If you want to see more about this, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.